How to import data to Excel from a PDF file. So here I have the PDF ready with the sample Excel data. So what I will do, I will copy this data and I will go back to Excel. I'll paste it here. So when I paste it, it will show me something like this, which is not properly structured. So instead of following this practice, what you can do is you can go to data, click on get data from file and from PDF. From here you need to upload the PDF file to Excel, and from there you need to select the table that you want to import. So here in this case I'm selecting the page 1, and if you want to upload this data in the existing sheet, then you can select this option load to, or if you want to upload this data to a new sheet, then you can click on load. Now I want to upload this data to my existing sheet. So I'm clicking on load to, and make sure your cursor is on the first cell, and here select the option as existing worksheet and click on OK. So here you can see Excel has imported the data from PDF in a proper structured format in the form of a table. So this is how you can use this trick, import data to Excel from PDF.